Well, hello, good neighbors, wherever you are. While I was too laid up here the last few weeks, too weak, too pitiful to do anything, the UPS driver brought me a box, and what do you know, inside the box was a new 455 Rancher. Now, I guess that's new to me, but it's a refurbished one. I bought it direct from Husqvarna Direct, and it was $330. And when I went to Tractor Supply the other day, they're $519 or $520 there at the store. So saved almost $200, and it comes with a 1-year warranty. So how can you go wrong? So I put it together, got the adjustments made, filled it up with gas and oil. Now it's time to see if it'll start. Will it start? I don't know. We'll see. If I got enough strength to start it, we'll see on that too. That seemed like a lot of pulls to get it started, but I don't think it was too bad for being new out of the box. And I'm still kind of weak. I wasn't pulling as hard as I used to, but it's running. It seems to be running good. So I'll let it idle for a while here, and then we'll give it a try sometime this week. It's pretty heavy compared to my other ones, but we'll see how it goes. Tomorrow, first thing, I got to take old Yeller here to the garage. I got a battery that's only a year and 2 months old, and it won't hold a charge. And I'm not too sure it's the battery. It kind of seems like there's something stuck on here that's running it down, because it'll take a charge and start the truck, but then about 3-4 hours later, it ain't got enough charge left to start the truck. So either it's got a bad cell in it, or there's something stuck on that's running it down. So I'm going to take it to the garage first thing in the morning and let them figure it out. They got the test equipment that I don't have. So there we go. It's running. Started right up. Got a 1-year warranty. I should be able to run it in about 13, 14 months. All right, this is the Geese. See ya. Friday, 0600. Something else I need to do today, my ramp bowl is empty. Got to go get some more ramps. I think I'm going to go out just over the hill by the wood yard. There's a bunch of ramps down in there. I think I'll go get them. I don't have to walk so far down the hill. So we'll go get some there. All right, see ya.